Hi everyone! I wanted to come by today and show you these adorable little mini books that I made using the kits from Nik the Booksmith. I will link her shop below this listing where you can find these, and I will also link her tutorial on how to put them together that she has on her channel. But I just thought these were adorable and I just wanted to share my take on them. So they're all the same on the inside. The kit comes with the pages for the inside and then 3 different covers. This one is I think it's the kids version of the kit. It has fairy tales and inside. So we've got 3 little covers. Just see if we can, they're so tiny it's hard to probably see the details, but they're so adorable. I just love them. They're miniature and books, so I'm in love because I love both of those things. I think this is my favorite cover, little Peter Rabbit. And this one. And then as you can see, I added a little ribbon closure to all of them, and they have a little bookmark inside. I'll show you when we go through. So let's put 2 of them aside here and we will look at this one. They're so easy to put together, guys. I mean, they're so easy. And Nik does a really good job of showing how she does that. I mean, you just need a glue stick. I use some distress ink, but you wouldn't even need that if you didn't want to distress the edges. It's just super easy. But look at this. I mean, you can actually read that. You might need a magnifying glass if you're, me, but you can actually read it. And look at that image. I mean, they're just beautiful. I mean, I don't know. I just love them. And here's the little bookmark I added. It's attached inside. It has a little bead on it there. So if you do read it, you can keep track of where you are. It's so tiny, my big hands are probably taking up most of the video, but I just wanted to show you because I just was so excited. Yep, so that is that. And then I added a piece of duck cloth down the spine inside and kind of rounded it out there. I just thought that kind of gave it a good finish. I just love them. I just wanted to share that with you and let you see how cute they were. And like I said, I will link to the Etsy listings in Nik's shop and also to her tutorial on putting them together. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll be back soon.